Crossing the bridge, ever so gently. Whoa, gentle. It's a little suspect. Alright, ladies and gents, we've got the DJI Avata 2 with the Ghost Rider set up here, attached with the attachments that I made with my 3D printer. We're going to try to get it around this loop here, which is about 0.7 of a mile on one battery. And that's the thing, the battery on the Avata sucks. So it's a test of speed versus agility and tactics. I don't know. We'll have to see if we can even make it. If not, then we're going to have to bail out and cross off in the middle. Alright, we're at 96%. Let's see. We're up. We'll do a quick lap. And let me see what it tells me how much time we have. I'm going to start cruising. Let's see. Yeah. Slightly windy right now. So now we're at 94 already. Let's see. High wind velocity warning. I'm going to lower the camera a little bit. Whoa, wind velocity is pushing me to the side. We're at 92. I think we'll be able to make it. Let me lower my hands a little. How's the bridge doing? Crossing the bridge, ever so gently. Whoa, gentle. It's a little suspect. I'm curious as to the battery life, but also the range of signal. I don't want to lose signal. I've never flown it this far. So now we're at 89. Cruising at, what are we cruising at? Some speed. 8 or 9 miles per hour. Alright. Let's see, we're going around the loop. See this? It says we have 10 minutes of flight time. We're at 86. I'm trying to be quite gingerly here. Alright, we've got straightaway. Oh, I don't know what that means. I'm going to push it a little bit for a second. The feed's getting a little choppy. Hold on. We're almost around the loop. Signal's getting a little choppy. The footage, the feed. Hold on. What's this here? Another bridge. Crossing it. Oh, gentle now. Up. Oh, gentle. Ease it in. Make the turn. Alright. Made the bend. I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. Lower a little bit. Let's see. Alright, good. You see the H? Oh, that's me way on the other side. What are we at? Still got 9 minutes. Oh, we can do a few loops. Hold on. No big deal. This is so funny. Alright, there we go. Cruising USA. Dun, 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 dun. So the Avata 2 doesn't have front or side sensors. It has a bottom and rear. Bottom for landing, rear for rearing. This is whoa, these people are like, what the hell is happening? Wee-hee. I've actually never flown it this far away from me. I'm way across the pond right there. If you see me on the right, you don't see me yet. But whoa, low bridge, watch out for that. There is a little closed down, wait, where am I going? It's the trail. I don't even know where we're going. Let's go this way. Whoa. Da, 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 da. I don't remember this. There we go. I almost went the wrong way into someone's house. Alright. Oh, I'll go this way because there's people walking. There are dogs, I think. Cruising. Hope there's no twigs here. That would suck. Oh, we already made it around the loop. Hold on. It's pretty good. What's the percentage at? Hold on. How long was that? So that's 7 minutes. It only took 3 minutes to get around. Hold on. Whee! That's hilarious. Alright. It took 3 minutes. So here comes your boy. Right about here. Alright. And we still got 65%. Look. And Tokyo drift around this thing. A little bit of that. Whoa. There's your boy right there. Alright. Just 60%. Interesting. Alright. Well, now. So we got 6 minutes left. Interesting. Well, that worked pretty good, actually. I'm surprised. Let me do this. We went the whole freaking distance. I'll show you here the sign that shows you what we were working with here. Hold on. Oh, hold up. That was a terrible turn. Oh, look at this. See? Phil Y Song Trail. 1.5 laps, 1 mile. And then 3 laps, 2 miles. See, we're at 58% right now. So even in that few minutes, the 3 minutes of flight time, it already drained half of it, and I wasn't even pushing it hard in this in normal mode. So the Avata 2 batteries is not the greatest, I give it that much. But I'm gonna switch up the battery, and then maybe we'll go one more flight, and I'll try to go a little quicker. Let's try that. Let me get this back home. Oh, Ghost Rider, baby. Ghost Ride your whip. Alright. Anyways, that was pretty awesome. I'm gonna land this over here. Right about here. Let's see if it freaks out. Nah, it's landed in the grass. Let's see if it lands. Last time didn't like this at all. Oh my, look at this guy. Seen this? Just made the freaking loop. 50%, alright, now I know. Let's try. That was the funniest thing I've ever done, actually. Look at this. Successful first flight around the whole thing. Alright, let's try one more time. We'll switch out the battery, and that time we did it in 3 minutes. Maybe I'll try to do it in 2. Alright, let's see. Now that I got my land legs locked, let's try it.